Hello friends, a very good morning. This is Lakshmi here and today we are going to see what are the keywords in Python. So keywords are something like reserved words in Python, which means that these words cannot be used as the variable names or function names. It has its own meaning in our Python coding structure, I can say. So like that we have 33 keywords in Python. And one more important thing is these are case sensitive words, which means that see here below given the list of 33 keywords. Among that, true and false they are completely in caps and non start with n caps and rest all are small letters. So we have to give same in the coding language, otherwise it will generate error. See, in the below list, you can see we have false, class, finally, is. This is statement is used for some kind of comparison. Return. Return is used for returning some values from the function. Non is used to define an empty class. Continue. We have pass, continue, those statements. Then we have for the loops. Then we have lambda. It's an anonymous function we will see in the following class. Then we have try, true, def. Def is used to define the function from non-local while. So like that we have 33 numbers. So that's about the keywords. Let's see identifiers in function. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button, and for the further notification, please press the bell icon. Thank you.